It's our third birthday. Elizabeth James Gallery opened 3 years ago today. The community of SE25, where I was born and bred, gave us such a warm welcome, and we are truly grateful for that. It's been such an experience, both good times and some not so good times, but we're still here for now anyway. I just really wanted to thank those of you who've been part of the gallery over the past 3 years, all the artists and the guests who has stuck by us and been faithful in their support of the gallery. I hope that some of you will join us next week as we officially mark our third birthday with an exhibition by 6 diverse artists. Thank you again, and I hope to see some old faces as well as some new as we glide into 2020.